Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by clearing a flat workspace and removing the old screen carefully. Measure the screen frame opening in inches and record width and height. Subtract 1/8 inch from each dimension for spline allowance so the mesh fits. Choose 18x16 fiberglass mesh as a common option for ventilation and insect control. Select a 0, 140-inch spline to match most frame grooves and ensure a snug fit. Gather tools now: spline roller, utility knife, measuring tape, scissors, and gloves for safe handling. Take the screen frame out of the window carefully without bending it. Lay the frame flat and locate the spline that holds the mesh in the groove. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry out the old 0, 140-inch spline slowly and evenly along the perimeter. Peel and cut the old mesh free with a utility knife and scissors for easier removal. Clean the frame groove with a small brush and damp cloth to remove dirt and debris for proper reseating. Center the new mesh over the cleaned frame and allow roughly 1/2 inch overlap on all edges. Starting on a long side, fold the mesh into the groove and press a 0, 140-inch spline over it with a spline roller. Pull the mesh taut opposite your starting side as you work to avoid ripples or sagging in the middle. Repeat on the remaining sides while keeping even tension and trimming corners neatly. Trim excess mesh flush with a utility knife. Then reinstall the frame into the window opening securely.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.